Hello students, today I am going to explain you chapter 1, Too Big, Too Small book exercises. Quickly open page number 3 in your Gulmohar English literature book. Let's see the first exercise given on page number 3. Exercise A. Complete these sentences with too big or too small. Students, I hope you must have read this chapter twice by yourselves. So what you have to do? You just have to fill too big or too small wherever required. Let's see the first one. Shanu is dashed to sleep in the baby's cot. Now you must remember that Dadu told Shanu that Shanu, you cannot sleep in the baby's cot because you are too big. So here the answer is too big. Similarly, the second one, Shanu is too small to walk to school alone. Likewise, do the remaining questions by yourself and then check the answers from the answer key attached in Google Classroom. Now let us understand the concept of singular and plural. Singular means one and plural means many. For example, you can see in the left hand side there is only one cot. So cot is singular. And in the right hand side there are 3 cots. So cots word is plural. The noun cot talks about only one thing. We call it a singular noun. The noun cots talk about more than one thing. We call it a plural noun. You need to remember, for converting any singular noun to a plural noun, you need to add s to the word. Now by adding s to the singular word, you can convert it to plural word or plural noun. See the first one under the heading plural. How many bins are there? How many bins are there? 3 bins. Simply you are going to add s to it. Similarly, second one, you can identify from the picture a school. And in the right hand side, 2 schools. Fine? So do this using the same concept. Exercise B. This is given on the next page. Can we count these? Write Y for yes and N for no in the box. For the things you can count, write Y. For the things you cannot count, write N. See the first one. Can we count monkey? Yes. So we are going to write Y. Number 2. Can we count bottle? Yes. So we will write Y. But number 3. Can we count salt? No. So we are going to write N in the box. Do the remaining questions by yourself. Now let us see words in use. Read this sentence. You are just big enough to take me for my morning walks. The words in color means that Shanu is as big as needed to take her grandfather for his morning walks. Okay. Complete these sentences with the correct words from the box. Now some words are given in the box. You need to use the correct words from the box in the sentences. Like quite enough. Quite enough means as quite as needed. Light enough means as light as needed. Old enough means as old as needed. Tall enough as tall as needed, and small enough as small as needed. See the first one. Mehul is dash to ride the roller coaster. So here we'll write tall enough. It means that Mehul is as tall as needed to ride the roller coaster. Second one, Swati is dash to ride the bus alone. Now to ride the bus alone, you need to be older. So that is why here it will come Swati is old enough. Asif is dash to fit into his shirt. To fit into a shirt, we have to be small enough. So here small enough will come. And fourth sentence, the luggage is dash for me to carry. You can only carry the luggage when it is light enough. So here the answer will be light enough. Last, number 5. The house is now dash for us to study. Whenever we want to study, we need somewhere quiet to sit. So here quite enough will come. Once again, do the exercises. Check the answers from the answer key attached in Google Classroom. Thank you everyone. See you in the next class.